Welcome to TechMind Eye, the channel where future meets reality and technology becomes your greatest tool for success. Today, we're diving into ChatGPT 5, the most advanced AI model yet, a leap beyond imagination that promises to change the way we work, create, and live. If you've ever wondered how AI can become your partner in business, education, or personal growth, this video is going to give you the answers you need. We'll break down the innovations, the possibilities, and the secrets behind this next-level technology. So if you're ready to stay ahead in the digital revolution and unlock the true potential of artificial intelligence, make sure you hit that subscribe button right now so you never miss the tips, tools, and breakthroughs we share on this channel. 1. The evolution of ChatGPT 5. ChatGPT 5 is not just another upgrade. It represents the natural evolution of artificial intelligence, moving from mechanical interaction to something that feels astonishingly human-like. Unlike its earlier versions, which primarily focused on generating text, this model has been designed with deep contextual awareness, longer memory, and more personalized adaptability that makes conversation seamless. Imagine speaking to an AI that remembers not just your last message, but entire conversations you had days or even weeks ago. This isn't just about better answers, it's about building a companion that learns you over time. The leap from GPT-4 to GPT-5 also brings enhanced reasoning, meaning it doesn't just repeat information, but can actually make sense of it and provide insights. It is equipped to understand nuances like tone, emotion, and intention far better than its predecessors. Developers designed it to mimic the fluidity of human conversation, creating dialogues that feel natural, empathetic, and authentic. Businesses can use it for customer service, creators can use it for brainstorming, and individuals can use it for learning and productivity. The core strength lies in its improved ability to integrate multiple streams of data, merging text, visuals, and even sound for multimodal interactions. 2. The human-like experience. One of the standout features of ChatGPT 5 is how human-like it feels in conversations, often blurring the line between talking to a machine and speaking to a knowledgeable friend. The developers have built in advanced contextual layers that allow the AI to detect subtleties in human speech. It can sense when you're frustrated, curious, or even when you're joking. This makes the interactions smoother, more authentic, and far less robotic compared to earlier versions. Instead of stiff, textbook-like replies, ChatGPT 5 responds with a flow of language that feels alive and responsive. Imagine a tutor that understands your learning style, adjusts its explanations to your pace, and encourages you when you're stuck. Or think of a personal assistant that not only sets reminders, but also gives motivational nudges in a tone that matches your personality. The personalization goes beyond just remembering your name. It's about crafting responses that truly feel tailored to you. This deep level of interaction creates emotional engagement, something technology has often struggled to achieve. The model has been fine-tuned with massive datasets that reflect diverse cultural contexts, making it adaptable to a wide range of users globally. 3. Power in productivity. ChatGPT 5 is not just about better conversations, it is also a powerhouse for productivity. Imagine a world where tasks that once took hours can now be completed in minutes, all thanks to the intelligence built into this system. From writing articles, generating business strategies, drafting legal documents, or even creating code, it delivers results that are both accurate and efficient. Professionals across industries are discovering that ChatGPT 5 can act as a digital coworker, capable of handling the repetitive and time-consuming parts of work. The model can manage emails, summarize meetings, and even brainstorm fresh ideas that spark creativity. Students can use it for assignments, research assistance, and exam preparation, getting explanations that adapt to their level of understanding. Entrepreneurs benefit from its ability to analyze market data and provide insights that drive decision-making. What sets it apart is its ability to go beyond raw data. It interprets meaning, relevance, and importance. With its extended memory, you don't need to repeat context for every task. It remembers ongoing projects and adapts accordingly. It integrates seamlessly with various platforms, making it a central hub of digital efficiency. Instead of juggling multiple apps and tools, you can delegate much of your workload to a single intelligent assistant. 4. A new era for creativity. Creativity is often seen as the ultimate human trait. Yet ChatGPT 5 challenges that notion by acting as both muse and collaborator in the creative process. Artists, writers, musicians, and filmmakers are already exploring how this AI can help generate new ideas, craft stories, and compose music. Instead of replacing human imagination, it enhances it by offering suggestions that might never have been considered. Picture a writer struggling with a storyline who suddenly gets a spark from AI-generated plots that align perfectly with their vision. Or imagine a musician experimenting with melodies inspired by AI-crafted harmonies. The collaboration doesn't just stop with raw ideas. It extends to structure, refinement, and polish. ChatGPT 5 can analyze patterns in successful creative works and apply them in a way that respects originality while offering guidance. It's like having an ever-ready brainstorming partner that never gets tired, never runs out of ideas, and never judges. This opens the door for people who might not traditionally see themselves as creative. 5. The future of human-AI collaboration. Perhaps the most exciting part of ChatGPT 5 is what it represents for the future of collaboration between humans and machines. For decades, technology has been seen as a tool, something we use but remain separate from. With ChatGPT 5, that boundary begins to blur. It is not just a tool, but a partner, an active participant in conversations, projects, and innovations. The model's adaptive learning allows it to evolve with the user, making every interaction smarter and more tailored over time. This means that the longer you use it, the more valuable it becomes. Collaboration with AI will move from novelty to necessity, with professionals in every industry integrating it into their workflows. Imagine architects brainstorming designs with AI offering structural insights. Doctors may consult AI for case analysis that speeds up diagnosis. And that wraps up our deep dive into ChatGPT 5, the AI that's redefining how we think about work, creativity, and human potential. From evolution to human-like conversations, from productivity boosts to unlocking creativity, and finally to a new era of human-AI collaboration. This technology is showing us what's possible when intelligence meets imagination. The future is no longer something we wait for, it's something we build together with tools like ChatGPT 5. If this video gave you a clearer understanding of how AI can transform your life, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can stay updated with every new breakthrough in the world of AI and technology. Join the TechMind AI community, where we explore the tools that help you grow smarter, faster, and stronger in the digital age. Thanks for watching, and remember, innovation isn't just about machines. It's about how we use them to create a better tomorrow.